Hi, kindergarten parents. I'm here to talk about the activity making CvC words. CvC stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. This is a pattern that makes a vowel say its short vowel sound. This is important when reading for fluency. The activity says to read the CvC word out loud to your child and have them build or write it. I'll take the word dip. You could start out by saying it in a moderate way, dip. If your child has a problem hearing all the sounds, saying it in a normal pace, then you can slow it down and say each sound. D, I, p. Oh, I hear d, I, p, dip. Take it at your child's speed. Depending on how easy or difficult this first part of the activity is, you may want to stop here or you may want to extend for your child. So if CvC is easy, you might want to introduce a beginning sound blend, like drip, drip. Some children might try to put a J when they hear that sound dr, and that is developmentally normal. But then that's when I slow down the dr sound so they can hear both parts of that consonant blend, that R-controlled blend. Dr, dr, drip. And then see if they can't get that DR sound. Drip. Have fun teaching.